Hello everyone, today I'll walk you through the steps to establish a company page on LinkedIn. Let's begin. Start by opening your web browser and logging into your LinkedIn account. Then, navigate to the menu and choose the For Business option. From there, select Create a Company Page and opt for the Business category. Provide essential details about your company, including its name, website, industry, and organization type. Don't forget to add a corporate tagline and upload the logo. After filling in all the required information, check the Verified box and click the Create button. That's it. Your company page is now successfully set up on LinkedIn. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.